Morning, ma'am.
Good morning once again.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good afternoon. Good morning, ma'am. And this class also we will do revision.
Yes, beta. We'll do revision.
Ma'am, today I have changed my name.
In this
Before
class,
you
I have done the work.
Okay. In the previous class, we've all completed our work, right?
yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
And we've
Ma'am,
also
we
discussed all the
have
questions.
yes.
We have also discussed them, no?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, there are many sections today with us. So, ma'am, can we do quiz? Ma'am, of
Yes,
chapter
ma'am.
Let us see. We
Yes,
can
ma'am.
just wait.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
can.
Yes, ma'am. And
No,
we can play game also
everybody keeps
like
speaking.
this.
Everybody keeps speaking. Don't listen to me. Okay. We can play, we can do quiz, but there is network issue. In between the voice stops or it gets cracked, right? That is why we are focusing on written work these days.
Ma'am, can we do? Ma'am, can
Yes. Can we do what?
I am saying that can we do the written work, ma'am? Like the questions that are between from the book, ma'am. The oral, not ma'am the written.
बेटा ओरल की तो बात कर रही हूँ. नेटवर्क इशू इतना है, सिग्नल प्रॉब्लम है, वी आर नॉट बीइंग एबल टू कैरी इट आउट.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I know
I
a
am
trick.
saying that in written.
But yes, in written we are doing the work in written only. We are doing all the work in written only.
Ma'am, I have an idea. Ma'am, I have an idea. Ma'am.
Okay, one by one. I can listen to you only one by one.
Ma'am,
Yes, they were.
if we can do question oral quiz. Ma'am, first you will ask question to someone. Ma'am, then if he give answer, then he will ask question to other child. And ma'am, if he will give answer, then he will ask question to other child.
Ma'am, this is correct.
Ma'am,
Next
then
idea.
Answer one question.
See,
Ma'am,
oral, we are not depending on oral quiz. So this is dropped. Next idea.
Ma'am, I have a great, Ma'am, I have a very nice idea.
Now wait, let Varun speak.
Ma'am, you can give question. Ma'am, you can speak question or type question in the chat box. All the three sections become a team, and whosoever will raise their hand, you will tell any one child, and he will write answer in the chat box to you personally.
Okay.
Ma'am, what are
yes,
you doing?
we can go by this idea.
be there. But teams
Now-
should be there.
Yes, Iram, what is your idea?
Ma'am, I am saying that we have not done, ma'am, we have not practiced, ma'am, one time only practiced, but ma'am, we can revise the maps and diagrams.
Right now,
Yes,
you want to revise maps and diagrams right now?
Ma'am, we can do.
Yes, wonderful idea. This idea is also very good. Yes, Noel, even you were saying something.
Ma'am, I have joined right now. What are we doing?
Beta, we are still figuring out what to do.
Ma'am, can we do maps? We can do errands or my idea. Both are very good ideas.
So how many
Ma'am, can
hands?
we do maps?
Yes.
Ma'am, I am saying that can we do maps?
Map. Okay, map. Yes. Now, how many of you go by Iram's idea? How many of you agree to Iram's idea? Raise your hand and show.
Ma'am, can we vote in the chat box?
Okay. Vote in the chat box so that everybody sees. Your vote will be Iram or Varun.
But chat is disabled.
But ma'am, chat is disabled.
Okay,
Ma'am,
okay.
yes,
Wait, I'll enable it.
Oh, it is enabled and enabled. Enabled. Enabled.
Ma'am, but the
Okay,
chat is
now you can.
dispersed.
Beta, now see.
It is ma'am. Now we can try.
Ma'am, page number.
Sleeping Beauty of the class.
Ma'am, one vote has Utsav has given to me.
Okay, one vote for Varun. Varun, again Varun.
Ma'am, 3.
3 votes for Varun.
Ma'am has again ma'am. फिर हमको तो होगा ही।
Varun, mute yourself. Okay, so I think we should go by Varun's idea. Is that fine, Iram? Now that's a fair decision?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So Varun, now Reyansh is saying, ma'am, we can do revision also. So Varun, what am I
Ma'am, but
supposed to
my
do now?
idea is- Ma'am, but my idea is a revision like only.
Yes, it is doing revision only. So what am I supposed to do now, Varun? I'm
Ma'am, my
supposed to
idea.
I'm supposed to type questions in the chat box.
Ma'am, no,
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am,
it is very, ma'am,
Ma'am,
No,
but
what was
for
but
the
better
voting, it is
but
compulsory.
see before getting these votes, you only decided no that the one who gets more votes will be following that thing. So now why are you denying?
Yeah.
No, Varun, now you have to tell to everyone what we are doing because it is your idea. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, an answer in chat box.
Just wait, Karthik. Listen to what we. Krishav, wait and listen to Varun. What we are supposed to do, he'll tell us.
Ma'am will copy. Ma'am will write one question in the chat box, and all the children have to see that question, and then all those children who know the answer of that question, they have to raise their hand. Then ma'am will choose one student, and he will write the answer in the chat box, and there will be 3 teams. Fourth A, fourth B, and fourth C.
Got it, everyone?
Ma'am, I have a query.
Yes, ask.
Ma'am, ma'am, the votes are given to Varun, but ma'am, I am saying that, ma'am, revision is done very much, and ma'am, we have not done maps.
So in our next class, beta, whenever we'll have our class next, we are going to do what you are saying. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am.
But this time I win.
Okay, question number 1. Question number 1. True or false? Sikkim was included as the 8th state of the northeastern region.
Ma'am,
What?
there are 3 groups. So first chance will be given to 4th A, then 4th B, then 4th C.
So it is, I know it won't be any kind of competition because in all the sections children will know the answer. So you will have equal points in the end. This is what is going to happen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, but you can ask 2-3 marks question in between, then there will
3
be
marks question.
difference. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. My first question was Sikkim was included as the 8th state of the northeastern region. True or false? Okay. Answer will be given by, see, in these kind of classes, I want all of you, your cameras should be on. Everybody should keep the cameras on in these kind of classes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
when
but
we
they
go
will
on the
be
chat box, our
present
camera automatically off.
So I have not typed anything in the chat box, beta. I have spoken the answer.
Dev, you are in 4th C, not 4th.
Okay. True or false, the answer will be given by Krishav Sahani, 4th A.
Ma'am, please tell the question once again.
Why? What were you doing?
Ma'am, the question.
Sikkim was included as the 8th state of the northeastern region. True or false? So 4th A. Okay. True. Next question. Yes, beta. Yes.
Ma'am, the questions will be of which chapter?
Of all the chapters from chapter 15 to chapter 20.
Ma'am, please tell another question.
In which year Sikkim was included as the 8th state? In which year? 4th B. 4th B, who is going to answer? Mohammad Imad. Put your cameras on, everyone. Imad, Ridyansh, Pratishtha Singh, Avika, Divyanshu, Mehul, Virat, Ashwik, Noel, Utsav. In which year Sikkim was included as the 8th state? In which year? Imad, can you? Okay, Imad is not connected to audio. Divyanshu Dev from 4th B. Can you answer this question?
Ma'am, the answer is ma'am 1996.
No, beta. Wrong answer. So 4th B loses this point.
Ma'am,
Okay, the question gets passed to 4th C. Now let me choose a child.
Mask.
I can't see many students from 4th C.
Ma'am, I know the answer.
Ma'am, I know the answer.
Wait.
Ma'am, I also know the
The
answer.
answer. Ma'am, I know the answer.
Okay, Lakshita is there. Lakshita. Lakshita is not there. Anshuman, what is the answer?
Ma'am, 2000.
Wrong answer. 4th C also loses this point.
Ma'am, I know the answer.
Now the question gets passed to 4th A.
Ma'am, I know the answer.
4th A, how many students are ready to raise their hands? I can't see anyone from 4th A except for Krish. Okay, Shaurya. No, Apurva is there. Apurva, what is the answer? Apurva, what is the answer?
1991.
Wrong answer.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am,
Now
I
fourth
tell the
B.
answer,
Fourth
but
B
I'm
gets
not
this.
91. Ma'am.
Karthik, now -1 to your team. 4th A is on 0 points. Ridyansh. Rityansh, what is the answer?
Ma'am, 1975.
Very nice, beta. Wrong.
Ma'am, I
Not
know the
even
answer.
close to it.
Ma'am, what is the question?
In which year Sikkim was included as the 8th state of the northeastern region? Okay, Dev. Dev will answer.
water?
Yes, Advika, drink.
Ma'am,
Dev will answer. Dev, what is the answer?
Ma'am, 2011.
Wrong answer. Now, see, this question has passed so many times, so the question is being cancelled.
Ma'am, please, ma'am, I know
Nobody will get point for this question.
answer.
Yes.
I know the answer. I know the answer.
And I can't carry forward this quiz. You people speak a lot and I get too much headache. All the answers till now given were wrong. In which year Sikkim was included as the 8th state of the northeastern region? It was in year 2000. 2002. Very nice. Okay, now do one thing. I'll just monitor all of you. What you have to do is a student from 4th A is going to ask a question to 4th B. Then 4th B will ask to 4th C. And then 4th C is going to ask to 4th A. This way we are going to move this cycle.
okay.
Now, 4th C, it's your turn to ask a question to 4th A.
Ma'am, can I ask?
One by one, now all of you decide. With full this thing, unity, you're going to do this work.
Ma'am, can we ask questions?
Data decide amongst yourselves. Don't ask me. Now, 4th C, let me see how well you can organize this thing.
Ma'am, I am framing a question. Please wait.
And whom do you want to ask in 4th A? You have to name that student.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Varun goes first. 4th A, are you ready? Now from 4th A, anyone can answer. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Anyone from 4th A will answer. Don't raise your hand. You can simply speak your answer as soon as you hear the question.
The dash dam is built on the river Kaveri.
Apurva, unmute yourself.
The dash dam is built on the river Kaveri.
Ma'am, dam.
Very good.
Correct.
It's meter dam. Next, 4th A. Who will ask to 4th B? Yes, Krishav.
Name the peninsular plateau.
4th B. Who will name the peninsular plateau? Yes, Reyansh, better don't raise your hand. Simply say the answer.
Malwa Plateau and Chota Nagpur Plateau.
Krishav, is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very nice. Next, 4th B, you have to ask to 4th C now.
Ma'am, can I ask?
Yes, Adrika, ask.
Which dam is made for River Ganga?
Which dam is built on River Ganga? Is it in our course, beta? Is it in these chapters?
No, ma'am.
Yes.
It is not in our course.
Adrika,
Ma'am, can
out of the syllabus, huh?
I ask?
Next question, Adrika. Okay, Reyansh will put up a question now.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, the Kaziranga National Park in Assam is famous for what?
Okay, very nice.
One
Tehri Dam.
Ma'am, I know.
One horned rhinoceros. One horned rhinoceros.
Very nice.
Ma'am,
One-horned
one-horned
rhinoceros.
One horned
Ma'am, now can I
rhinoceros.
ask a question?
Ma'am, can I ask?
Ma'am, can I ask?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I ask?
Now you have to decide, fourth C, how well you
Ma'am,
can
I will
coordinate.
ask.
It's up to
Ma'am,
you.
can I ask?
Beta,
Ma'am, I
you have to
Ma'am,
work
can
in
I
a.
ask the question?
I think Utsav.
Beta, don't ask me. I am nobody here. It's
think
your
Utsav-
teamwork. You have to decide. Just coordinate things and go forward. Move
I
forward.
can answer. Ma'am, I can.
Can I ask?
Can I ask?
I will not say anything. Who can ask or who cannot?
Can I ask Varun?
Can
Can
I
I
ask
ask
one?
Varun? Varun, can
अरे
I
कोई
ask?
भी बन जाओ मैं
Can I ask?
Utsav. Utsav, then Iram, and then.
Now, Varun, you keep away. Why? Because you have already asked once. Now others will get a turn.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the question is, ma'am, which is the popular folk dance of Tripura?
Okay, fourth A, who will answer? Popular folk dance of Tripura. Nobody is answering from fourth A. What's wrong? Noel, where are you? Apurva, Shaurya.
Goria.
Very nice, very good.
Which person?
Famous folk dance of Tripura is Goria.
Ma'am, from my team, can I decide then that now who can ask?
I tell
Beta, don't say
No.
that. Varun, don't try to lead, beta. Let everybody work in a coordinated way. Okay, all are leaders. Don't take charge of anything. Next, fourth A. It's your turn to ask to fourth B. Who is coming from fourth A to ask a question? Nobody is ready to ask, huh? Nobody is there to ask. Okay, Apurva.
Name all the important cities of
Name all the important cities of what?
Uttar Pradesh.
Who will answer this question from B section? Only one hand, Reyansh. What about others? Are you not studying, children? Okay, very nice. I can see Imad raising his hand. Yes, Imad.
Name the important cities of Andhra Pradesh are.
Beta, Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh are Agra and Kanpur.
Is that correct? Fourth A?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Can I ask one question?
Are not all the important cities of Uttar Pradesh.
is he supposed to name more cities?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Imad, you have to name two more important cities. Or anybody else wants to answer from 4th B? All right, Reyansh, tell.
Ma'am, Lucknow, Kanpur, Moradabad, and Varanasi.
Now is it fine, Apurva?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now 4th B will ask to 4th C. Who will ask?
Can I ask?
Yes, Imad, very good. Ask beta.
What is the national capital territory of Delhi? Ma'am, can I answer?
Iman, what is your question, beta?
Ma'am, it is wrong question.
Yes, your question is not correct. Ask some other question.
Okay, ma'am. Haryana is the state in the dash region.
Haryana is the
Ma'am,
state.
Haryana.
Okay, in which
the
region is Haryana located?
Ma'am,
Okay, Iram, tell.
Ma'am, North Central region.
Very nice. Is that correct, Iman? Is the answer correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very nice.
Ma'am, now can I ask?
Yes,
Now
ask.
can I ask question?
Okay, ma'am.
Iram, ask.
The question is, what are the main crops grown in Tripura?
What are the main crops that are grown in Tripura? So who is going to answer from 4th A?
Ma'am, can I answer?
4th A has to answer.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Naman is raising his hand from 4th A.
Ma'am, bajra and oilseeds.
No, that's a wrong answer.
Pineapple and
Bhavishya Gaur, your team will get -1. The main crops grown in Tripura. Main crops grown in... No, Karthik. Wrong answer once again. Okay, Virat Yadav is raising his hand.
Ma'am, rice, pineapple and jute are the main crops grown in Tripura.
Very good. Very nice. That's correct. Okay, now 4th A. Ask a question to 4th B.
Ma'am, can I ask? Ma'am, can I ask?
Ma'am, can I ask?
Ma'am, can I ask?
Okay, Virat will ask.
Ma'am, Tripura is surrounded by dash on 3 sides.
By which country is Tripura surrounded? On 3 sides.
Yes.
4th B. Who is going to answer? Okay, Riyansh is raising his hand.
Ma'am, Bangladesh.
Very nice. Very good.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, now can I ask the question?
Yes, ask beta.
Ma'am, I have to washroom.
Go. Yes, Riyansh.
My question is, which is the wettest place in the world?
Who will tell this answer from 4th C?
Ma'am, can I?
Anyone who has not answered till now? Lakshita. Lakshita is there in the class?
Ma'am, I don't answer.
Okay, Jayesh will tell the answer. Mohsin Ram. The wettest place is Mohsin Ram.
Ma'am, now can I ask question?
Now Jayesh will only ask a question to 4th A. Jayesh, ask. Okay, Jayesh is not asking. Then who wants to ask?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I ask? Ma'am, can I ask?
Jayesh, beta, are you
Ma'am, I
asking?
have not asked.
Okay, Dev, ask.
Name the first 7 sister states and list each of their boundaries.
Beta, this is a very long answer. We are just doing short answers, like one word answer.
Okay, ma'am. So my question is, ma'am, which lake is present in Manipur?
Which?
Lake. Which
present
lake?
in Manipur?
Okay, ma'am.
Which is the famous lake of Manipur? Advika Gupta will answer. Advika, we cannot.
Loktak Lake.
Very nice. It's the Loktak Lake that is in Manipur. Very good. Now, the next one is. Okay, now let me see. Sikkim is bordered by which 3 countries? Let me see who can answer. Sikkim state is bordered by which 3 countries?
Ma'am, I know 2 countries. I forgot one country.
Okay, Virat. Virat will take answer.
I know.
Bhutan, Tibet, and Nepal.
Very good, Virat.
Tibet
Very
would-
nice. Okay. Then we have. Let me change the chapter.
Ma'am.
Okay, what feature of northern plains? Listen to it very carefully. What feature of northern plains makes it ideal for agriculture and irrigation? Which feature of northern plains is such that it is good for agriculture and irrigation? What is that feature? Iram is raising her hand. Tell beta.
Ma'am, the flatness of these
Very
northern plains.
nice. Very nice. Very good. It is the flatness of the northern plains that makes it ideal for agriculture and irrigation. Then, okay, where is the largest jute processing industry of India? Largest jute processing industry of India. Where is it? Shorre.
Ma'am, Kolkata.
Very good, beta. Very nice. Okay, let me see who can answer this one. Indravati, Arpa, and Peri are important rivers of which state?
Ma'am, can I?
Very good, Anshuman. Yes, tell.
Ma'am, Jharkhand.
Wrong.
Ma'am, Jharkhand.
Reyansh, you tell
Ma'am,
beta.
can I-
You were also raising your hand.
Sorry, ma'am, I don't know. Ma'am,
Indravati, Arpa, and Peri are important rivers of which state? Yes, Iram, tell.
Ma'am, Chhattisgarh.
Very nice. It is Chhattisgarh. Very good. So children, now we are done with the revision. Let's bring this class to an end. Get ready for your next class now.
Yes.
Bye to all of you.
Bye.